The court then ruled that since there have been 2 adjournments already and the statutory time of 30 days has passed, the court will now go ahead with a trial.
Chairman Wontumi, more trouble for the man. After say, ni team, I call for forms. Say, the command will in Sewemo. I'm an file for the national chairmanship of the MPP. On one day, when we say, I deal with the I say, I need the order. On one says, I say, no, I withdraw on Kobu. Can I say, EXIM Bank? Now, I say, plea bargain. Now, information, Mr. Kancha say, out of 30 million, Papa and I will send Kobutia, it moves a 12 million pay. Anna, Attorney General. I say, hey, Masa, what way I crown you what you want to? I did you near Maria, or say, who said that you want to hang 15 book and get him where? Make sure half Nangas, half na can payment structure. Education of the be a saber back to court.
The 30 million EXIM Bank alleged fraud case involving former Ashanti Regional Chairman of the New Patriotic Party, Chairman Wontumi, returned to court today with Principal State Attorney at the AG's office, Reverend Joshua Saki, informing the court that they had not reached an agreement in this high-profile case. The court then ruled that since there have been 2 adjournments already and the statutory time of 30 days has passed, the court will now go ahead with a trial. And responding to this, the lawyer for Chairman Wontumi, Samuel Atachia, said they are open for the trial, but said that he is quite convinced that they may reach an agreement even before the judgment date. The trial judge Halima Abdul Alawal Bassett then ordered the prosecution to file as disclosures within 14 days for the trial to continue. Now, the lawyers for both parties agreed to return to court on the 22nd of September for case management conference. Another case that came before the Accra High Court involves the former Finance Minister Ken Ofori-Atta and 7 others. Just when the lawyers introduced themselves in court, the trial judge Francis Apanga Chibonga stood down the case for about 10 minutes for them to have private conversations in the chamber. Just when that was done, the special prosecutor Kesi Ajabin, who was in court today for the OSP, then informed the court that they were still waiting on the U.S. Officials or authorities to serve criminal summons and charges on Ken Ofori-Atta, and then prayed for a month adjournment. After making this point, the lawyers for the accused persons did not utter a word, and then the trial judge Francis Apanga Chibonga adjourned the case to the 29th of September for them to return to court for proceedings to continue. Meanwhile, the judge also adjourned proceedings in the MPA case to the 2nd of September for hearing of a motion to strike out the charge sheet of the second accused person.
And I'm going to share final conversation. Asenka, the new proposed friends amount to Betriano, say Attorney General and Minister of Justice Dominic Akrutinga Ayini, on any deputy Justice seems I edit to move ya. Nanga Chairman Wontumi, ya also Ubetria Sikano. But the Attorney General are rejected. Wa rejected plea bargain. Eti Chairman Wontumi, sa case no so ebeto aso akọ court. Ha akwane bre. Akwane bre. Ke enye ho Chairman Wontumi bayadi. Na wey na mi wisa say ntia no sa no say ye sentence na say ye nye sika back no no. Na niema na ni property ya season no ebe dru 30 million because ye wi no wi a ye be sa akọ tanyo nyimiri o na yaba road Cocoa Road no so eti mu ye sure say na japade ye wo no ye gi a ebe so that 30 million no de ana yen cosgate like yen freezing in niema no bi say ogodama like mo amuti sa niema na se mo ame ya chicha ma Wontumi odam plea bargain na pay for the next case a EXIM Bank no sika na odi buy na Attorney General say eswa eti say no de be ni say ye court ako cancel am say ye fani na guilty na di 2 year. Can we get our money back? And I said no sir, no 7 prison sentence ni year skanachi mon can share my comment section because I really want to know. But encheche mo e ka no me dey twas dey about to was enko relax catch them me bese me hu say Chairman Wontumi ye chi ne tun wie o EXIM Bank no ho a sika na ahye ye nye sika no bio ana say still you bet ma fa ni mi say we say nye sika back because sika no de ehia me pa e say nya the back wo wie na we ni subscribe like share ma unia asu enya bi ehwe edi no e ba ko pe maxi billion I will naked to old Boga Trends. Chairman Wontumi, Kaisi Nanu ya ne lawyer attaching and lawyer and the appeal could be at that time. And I come to about EXIM Bank. I think this guy, Ralph, the activist of Democracy Hub, and I say, oh, na ade na obi wiye sika kakra kase na ye wiya ye say ono de plea bargain. Ade na yen fan means in ways. Na ono so go dem say the obi wiya board ya, o didn't go to no. And the lawyer say, oh, say sika no so a it's better say sometimes we benya bi da sin ba go dem no welu su skani na nti e ho ana me pick me idea na me point every say meaning say okodem a ye nya sika no na because according to the lawyer at that time say it's better to get some of the money than to lose it all. And then the Attorney General and Minister of Justice Dr. Dominic Akrutinga Yini have said similar thing. Say the reason why sometimes we open our doors for plea bargain say is also be Germany panosicani national. And ye unya bia than sending na beshi. I'm saying necessary ne beshi as abokro. And ye bokro we are plea bargain. Near Mobi, near Fabi, near Yadasudi. Now I know na still na Ghana for yentie ho ase. Say e dey any plea bargain just say ono boy kro no ya mfa ntie no. E bia nka busu bobi ne de man say oje. Ana kire ye hwe say na hondi ntimi. So be twa skani nanti oh okay the be chew twa bi the jabi na we no fragadam or the invoice adan receipt ana wanya say opportunity no awie say sikai enti ono say be plea bargain for den any body for any iPhone 4 mu we iPhone ni body ne hu kan ihe mo plea bargain no na body ne say body betim no fire on fa you go pay bi mra na wanya na makra ne okay nya no ani ai but Papa no according to the Deputy Attorney General Justice is actually say or say you freezing Chairman Wontumi in the bank accounts ni properties at some point go say ni money na na freezing according to Felix of Usuaku Atisu the same thing say you freezing san name we na e you freezing we are so what happened say you jelino because of EXIM Bank the freezing na say if you are tonton sika ye free bank account no because or you guilty e so twa ka na ye fante ka na say et no ene say antimantini na ye say yatibi na say nya sa so ya na say dini kwa kutum ye case ye di a case ya abai de ye na ye hu de di ya o message ile no na ye de ya o me ile no because all the invoice I could dan receipt as say ko do abro oye ono interview say adanya ensuo etoye ene fa abro na ko ye misi ye entro we de mi hu bi da aba yi Chairman Wontumi na nka twa de ntokro kakra da ho ye chiwa wa fo mapie ana ono ase ajetum because ye se wafa we se memfa but memfa you na mo mitue sika ne bi like on say dey make sense ye se kro no obo what's me more? Then later on, what did say Uber sika ni bi? Then a confirmation. Because idea unya ye don't mean to say why. And the moment I was Uber bi ni there. Na say boni we di kan die wi. Na we no say ma Attorney General the case here some how. So we di go case we di go some can do 1 month. And I me nya adwene. And you guys say case we do 1 month. Say afini esa ko gina case we ho akọ left right center for what? This is just an admitting the crime. Say make sure be. And as I say, no, the old tree no, and insufficient to Attorney General the wisdom. It is idea yenye. And you no say case when you got a couple 1 month too, because when you can't admit that. Indeed, say America say the court at the order a friend saying no plea agreement has been reached between Chairman Wontumi and the Attorney General. The High Court has ordered the prosecution to file disclosures as the trial proceeds. The trial of this case ever started Yabesha say di asem no say de say na efata. No mercy for the cripple, no mercy for Atlanta. What you say? They say no Chairman Wontumi after 20 good years, I have sentenced him to one prison for samurai boy friends and mining case, you know. The next one on the line, Papa ne dasu dem, but obesaba. Eno EXIM Bank die. Eno so yes they be plea bargain no amfa. They say no case no ebe ko trial. Na we dey message gang say ni kwase twem 1 month. Yes say fala na case mu di wintem. Na ebi so can bibi menim how that will be. Say Chairman Wontumi will serve say in case say jeli nimpo EXIM Bank na obe serve any samurai boy case no currently na mean say we ni be rane na we ni so rane. In this even say e man 20 years esa ka ho a 20 years no obe serve just 20 years in total, even though senka from samurai boy case 20 years nanka we so 20 years guy 40 years but obe serve abum sa na tie. I thought that na say one particular first case na count 1 count 2 count 3 count 4 maybe I count 1 you more 5 years count 2 you more 5 years count 3 more 5 years count 4 you more 5 years which is in total 20 years now, but because one particular case you know ebe run concurrently say be ya 20 as of 20 years no better than just 5 years, but in separate cases in different times I don't know still now no ebe run concurrently. But more law, more timber nas ye pano, more and I'm indicate our comment section as information because you be here because Chairman Wontumi in their Chairman. Now, I'm sorry, they munti and him sana. It is a Ghana for munti. Chairman Wontumi, the Ghana vetriano, and so, now, but me and them grow for the support Chairman. I don't want to cram fan count. So, to me, raise 12 million there. Kevin said, but me a man 5 account. Na Brajan for the Kennedy was only a capro. Now, but me account for no the extra 5 account. Now 10 or the kind of 12 non class 22. 20 and commit my considering a general 8 million which and a cranker. Plus interest and so the obituary. Interest and so the Chairman obituary. And they say, baby, a Chairman Wontumi the faith I could do no. Obedience a wumbo. The next case, EXIM Bank case. Obesa to so. Oh yeah. Tano nyimri e da so da ho smile twen no hey emre be pa ko Chairman Wontumi odne sabo na body gold solid money obekire John Dramani Mahama obekire we otimi yabo kene Japan yabo even e ma bi ko kan 2 force 8 to 2 second and na Chairman Wontumi na ILM e won sawom no hey we are seeing here there but mama me education na me hu se ogodama our EXIM Bank case no ye nye sika back sa na tie anaso you don't find me say we say nye sika na say nye sika no sa no eni kwa so 7 times na 2 Chairman Wontumi ekodam bio our EXIM Bank with ebia extra 20 years obetwa 40 years because or friends saying samurai boy case no anase obe 7 those 2 different cases na no obe 7 no ebe rani agbom instead of 40 years na be 20 years still the person me hu fato our comment section na say efema me na subscribe like share unya esu enemy and ready no eba go the multi billion I will naked truth we go trends macau bye bye.